I was going through these old comics, found this, had this cool Nintendo ad, Joker's face on it, and I'm not sure who the artist is. Yeah, I just thought the face was cool. And this time I was taking pictures of old comics, taking close-ups and stuff like that, and printing them on my LaserJet black and white. And then I would take the same print paper and run it through again with another print, so like a full print, and see what kind of results I can get. Then I took that and cut it up and made some collages. At first I painted it. And then I started chopping it up and throwing it into collages with other prints. I did the same thing too, and still really wasn't happy with the end result. But then I saw, it was a good opportunity to use my sandpaper, kind of a sandpaper technique too, and did that to it. And I saw that the marker I used for the lips kind of stayed put, and I was like, okay, well, probably could paint my own Joker on top of this. And I'd seen Jokers before in the past on Pinterest and stuff that had these wide mouths, like that extended past the physical mouth, like a crazy Joker laugh kind of thing, and just like abstract mouths. And I thought, well, that'd be kind of neat to do here.